Hello everyone. Today we will be studying about prescription, its definition and parts from the subject Community Pharmacy and Management presented by KG Saraf lecturer Kekiwak College of Pharmacy Nasik. So what is prescription? A prescription is a written order. It may be handwritten or electronic by a registered physician directing the pharmacist to prepare or dispense pharmacological agents or medications for the diagnosis, prevention, or treatment of a disease. So, prescription is a written order. You can also say it is a legal order written by a registered medical practitioner who directs the pharmacist to prepare or dispense the medicines. Then they may be either for diagnosis, prevention, or treatment of a disease. So this is the definition of a prescription. We will see about the various parts of prescription, which are: first is date of prescription. The date of the prescription should be at the top of the prescription. It is very important, so that the prescription is valid. Date should be mentioned on the prescription, otherwise the prescription would be defined or termed as invalid. Next part is name, age and weight of the patient. The name, age, weight of the patient should be written in this part. This one part is very important because of the identification purpose. Okay, so name of the patient is very important. Then age to determine the dose, age and weight to determine the dose. Name is important to identify the particular patient. Next part is superscription. Superscription is the part of the prescription contains a symbol Rx, which means take thou. It's a Latin word, and in English it means you take. So superscription is the Rx which is written on the top of the prescription. It is called as superscription. It's Latin. It is a Latin word which means take thou. It is the old English, and its meaning is you take. Basically, the writer of the prescription praying to the god to get the patient well soon. So it is basically the prescription writer or the physician is praised to the god that let the patient get well soon. What is inscription? The inscription is the part of the prescription which contains the composition of the medicine and also the amount of dosage. For example, paracetamol 500 mg, paracetamol 650 mg. So it contains both the composition of the medicine and the amount. So this is called as the inscription. Next part is about of subscription. Subscription is a part of prescription which contains the direction to dispense the dosage form. The number of dosage units and the quantity to be given are written in this part. So whatever the number which should be dispensed by the pharmacist or the direction which is given to the pharmacist to dispense, it is called as subscription. For example, tablet paracetamol 10. 10 means 10 pieces of the tablet or the 10 tablets. Signatura. Signatura is the part of prescription which contains the direction given by the prescription writer to the patient. How and when should the medicines be taken? So it is not signature, it is signatura. It is the direction given to the patient regarding how to take the medicines. The directions are given in Latin shortcuts, that is, for example, TDS, it means 3 times a day. BID means bis in die or twice a day. AC means before a meal. So these are the examples and these directions are given to the patient about how to take the medicines. This was signatura. Now we come to signature. Now signature is a part of prescription which contains the signature of the medical practitioner who writes the prescription, means the physician. And last is registration number and seal. In this part, the registration number of the medical practitioner who writes the prescription is given. Okay, the number of the registered medical practitioner is given and its stamp. So all these are the parts which should be present in a legal prescription. So this is a sample of the prescription where we can see the date, name, age and weight of patient. Then comes the superscription, that is Rx. Then comes inscription, that is the content and the quantity or the dosage. Then comes subscription, it means the name and the quantity. Signatura means the direction given to the patient. Last comes the signature of the prescriber, then registration number and seal or stamp of the prescriber. So this was all about prescription and its parts.